In this video, I'll show you how you can add a reel on your LinkedIn. So this is really simple. You need to have a video in 9:16 aspect ratio. So for example, I don't know, TikTok or Instagram reel. And then you need to go to create a new post. From here, choose video. And you need to upload your video from your computer. So I'm gonna just quickly find my video. So it's this one, then click open. So from here you can add captions or you can add video thumbnail. So you can add video thumbnail from your computer and then you just need to click on next. You can add some description about this video. So let's say my first reel. Then you just need to click on post and now we need to wait for the video to upload on LinkedIn. Next, you will see upload completed and we will notify you when your post is ready. So you just need to go to your profile or refresh LinkedIn. And then you will see in activity section, this is your reel. So as you can see, my first reel, and this is how you can upload a reel on LinkedIn. So if you found this helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.